Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be a bit of a discussion and a look back video at this past year 2018. And these type of videos, I usually try to do them at the beginning of every year, usually around January 30th, because January 30th is the day back in 2010 when I sat down and opened this very YouTube account right here that you're watching this video on. And after 9 years, I'm still doing this. You guys are still here watching these videos. We've gained more and more people coming back to watch these videos each year, and it's just amazing. I literally have nobody to thank for that but you guys, because you guys are the ones who, you know, continually come back and watch these videos, share them with your friends, like, comment, do what you guys do best. And then those over 27,000 of you who care so much about watching, you know, these videos and you want to see more of them, that you actually hit that subscribe button to come back in, you know, like a week later to see my next video, which is really amazing. So I just want to thank you guys so much for that. This video, like I said, I usually try to publish it on January 30th, but that got pushed back this year because I wanted to get the Wii Shop retrospective video out, because the Wii Shop, as you may or may not know, you probably know if you saw the video, the Nintendo Wii Shop channel officially shut down on January 30th of this year. And because of that, I wanted to get out a retrospective video to kind of look back at the Wii Shop and remember it, and, you know, what it did, what it brought to Wii owners over the years. So that's why this video got pushed back. But I still wanted to make this video here because it's just tradition at this point, to be honest, because I usually, at least for the past couple years, I've been doing these kind of videos around this time. So how was 2018? Like, how did we do this past year on this channel? Well, one thing that I love to do is usually go back and take a look at where we were on this channel 1 year ago. Not today exactly, but about, you know, around this time 1 year ago. And in this video right here, this was my State of the Channel 2018, where I celebrated 8 years on YouTube. And when I published this video onto YouTube, this channel had about 12,000 subscribers and just over 3 million views. And we're ending off 2018, starting 2019, with 27,000 subscribers, just over 27,000 subscribers, and about 6.6 million views worldwide on this channel. Which is amazing, because literally we've gained more subscribers this year and views than we did in the past 8 years, because it took this channel essentially 8 years to get to 12,000 subscribers and 3 million views, and we've gained over 12,000 subscribers and over 3 million views in 1 year. So that is some unprecedented growth, and again, I have nobody to thank but you guys. So thank you for that. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to make these videos that people actually enjoy to watch. It's just one of the most amazing feelings ever, and like I said, I'm probably going to say it a lot, but you guys are the only people that I have to thank for it. So one of the things that I definitely want to do more of in 2019 is more tech history retrospective type videos. I did a few of them in, you know, this past year 2018. We had the, I mean, this one was this year, but this was, you know, the Wii Shop retrospective was one of the retrospectives that I did recently. We had the Clippy history, or the Clippy retrospective, and of course the Windows Refund Day video. Let me just pause and talk about this video once again. This video did insanely well on this channel. This video got about 100k views in 48 hours, so 2 days it got 100,000 views from you guys, and it has quickly risen to become the most popular on my channel. It's surpassed the Homebrew channel video and the Red Star OS video to become literally the most popular video on my channel in less than a month. So thank you to you guys for making that possible. This video also made it to the subreddit r/Linux. It was on there. I don't know if it was on like the front page, but I think it was at some point close to the top. It had about 1.5 thousand upvotes, which was pretty cool, and it just did generally much better than any other video that I've published to this channel in, you know, the view sense, where it got just a ton of views in a very short amount of time. And I think the reason for that is because this video, there wasn't, at least as far as I could tell on YouTube, there weren't really any other videos talking about this specific event and this subject. There were some websites online, there were some news articles about it, there were a couple of clips, like news clips on YouTube of this event, but there was never like a documentary or like a retrospective about it. And that's one of the reasons why that I did it, is because I thought this was a very interesting event, and the whole story behind it intrigued me to the point where I wanted to share it with other people that didn't know about it. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why that I made this video, but just telling very interesting tech history stories that might not have been really told before, at least in video form on YouTube. I have some really cool stories that I have planned for this year 2019 already, that I definitely want to make happen, so stay tuned for that. But that's not to say that I'm only going to be doing these videos in 2019, because I definitely still love to do videos like I'm doing now, where I'm just sitting down having a basically like a conversation with you guys, where I'm speaking into the microphone in real time. I definitely love doing those videos, taking a look at obscure pieces of software, operating systems like Windows XP Ultimate Edition, doing unboxings, doing a lot of, tech tinkering and project videos like with the Apple TV, installing Linux on the Apple TV, doing the $20 SSD and the $20 PC, videos like that. I definitely have some more videos like that planned, project type videos. Be sure to let me know if you guys have any suggestions about things that, more videos that you want to see, video ideas that you have, as a couple of my videos, a good amount of my videos come from viewer suggestions. We had this one right here, Wine VDM. This was a viewer suggestion. uMenu16 was a viewer suggestion. I'm just going through here and seeing bypass parental controls. This was somewhat of a viewer suggestion. I think even Calmira was too. So there's a lot of videos that I upload because you guys message me and say, hey, I found this cool piece of software, or I made this, like in the sense with uMenu16. And could you do like a video on it? And if it's something really cool that I think you guys would like, I'm absolutely going to do it. And so I definitely love doing those types of videos. Yeah, so just be sure to let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more of. Did you guys like the videos that I did in 2018? How about, what was your favorite video that I did in 2018? Let's make that like the question of the day, I guess, or the question of this video. What was your favorite video that I uploaded to this channel in 2018? Be sure to let me know. And that is pretty much all that I have to say for this video. Thank you guys so much again for this amazing year 2018, and let's make 2019 the best year on this channel yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as always, I will see you in the next video. But wait, there's more. Yeah, this video is not over yet. So, for you guys who made it to the end of this video, I wanted to do something a little special for you guys. I got a little bit of a treat for you guys. This is something I've never done before. This is going to be the first one of these that I'm going to be doing on this channel. And I hopefully will have some more to come in the future. But I'm going to be doing my first ever giveaway. I want to give something back. I want to show my appreciation, essentially, to you guys. And I want to give a little something back to some of you guys out there. So I'm just going to go ahead and say it. I'm going to be giving away a couple gift cards here. Let's go ahead and set them out here. So what we got here are 4 $25 Amazon gift cards. I was originally just going to do like one gift card, one prize, but I kind of thought it would be cool to have a couple of you guys win something. So I just decided to do 4 gift cards, each worth $25. I don't know what you can get for like, $25 on Amazon, but you can probably get a couple of cool things. I'm not going to be giving all of these away to the same guy, like just give 4 gift cards away to one person, because that wouldn't make any sense. So this is going to be for 4 separate people to get in on this giveaway. So I'm not going to be announcing this anywhere prior. I'm not going to be putting it in the video description, like the link that you're going to have to go to. I'm not going to be announcing it. This is just for you guys who have watched to the end of this video. This is the only place I'm going to be announcing this. So it's somewhat of a secret, I guess. I don't know, because I mean, some people I know don't watch to the end of the videos. That's why that I put this specifically at the end for my dedicated viewers who watch all the way to the end of my videos. So how are you going to get in on this? Well, you're going to have to do just a couple of simple things. Number one, you're going to have to be subscribed to my channel. That's, pretty obvious. Number two is you're going to have to make sure that your subscriptions are public, basically meaning that somebody can go on your channel and see who it is that you are subscribed to. That way that I can verify that you're subscribed to me. And number three, you're going to want to follow the link on screen right now, mjd.yt/giveaway. That will take you to a form on osforms.net, which, by the way, has just reached its second year anniversary, which is pretty awesome as well. So it will take you to a form on OS Forms, a hidden form that is not going to be able to be viewable from the main page. And if you don't already have an account, you're going to need to create one, go through that whole process. It's pretty simple. And I want you to make a reply to the one post that I have in there. I'm not going to have it to where anybody can make any more topics, but to the one topic that I have, I want you to make a reply to that with a link to your YouTube channel. And I want you to put, you can just put anything else. The main thing I want is the link to your YouTube channel that you're subscribed to me with. That way, if I pick you, I can go in and I can verify, okay, this person is subscribed, so he's going to win one of the gift cards. I don't think I'm going to be announcing the winners on my channel. I might do something like that, but I'm definitely just going to let this run for 1 week. So next week, I will be randomly picking the winners using random.org. And I will PM you winners the code. I might do something. I may announce it on Twitter. I might put it at the end of one of my videos that I have coming next week. But I will definitely pick these winners 1 week from now, and I will send you guys the code. And you'll be able to go on to Amazon and redeem them for whatever that you want to purchase. So yeah, just something that I want to give back to you guys. Just as, a thank you for your guys' support over these past 9 years. It's almost a decade. I can't even believe that I've been doing these videos for almost a decade of my life. It's insane. Next year will literally be 10 years. So just thank you guys so much again, just for all of the support. You guys really literally make this possible for me to do. You guys give me a lot of motivation to continue to do these videos. So thank you for that. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.